Paying with Wise digital card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with Wise digital card. So this is how the digital card should look. How can you use it for payment purpose? So in online, suppose you are buying any of the product. In online, the process is pretty simple. At the checkout section, you can easily select credit or debit card, and you can put the card number and expiry and all the details here. By tapping on this card details, you will be able to see all the details that you can use to purchase anything online. Now it is a bit complicated in in store or in real life, so you just have to add it to your digital wallet. So this is how your digital wallet should look. This is Apple Wallet, and this is how your Samsung Wallet will look. So in Apple Wallet, you have to tap on this plus icon, and here you have to tap on this debit or credit card. What it will do is it will want you to select. It will give you all the apps that are available in your mobile phone that have digital cards in it. You have to tap on Wise, and your Wise card will be added to your Apple Wallet. And then afterwards, you can use your iPhone as a contactless payment method to pay for your products using Wise digital card. And in Samsung Wallet, the process is pretty much the same. You have to open up your Samsung Wallet app. You have to tap on this menu, and you will see this page. You have to tap on this add card, and they will want you to do the same as we did in iPhone. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.